good. It's not looking good. I don't want to be stuck out here for several days. And with all the ice, now sleet, and then snow, there's no way I'm getting home. Yeah, this video is no joke. Right now, as I'm talking to you, this storm is rolling in, and we currently have some freezing drizzle coming down. I've got about an hour, maybe 2 hours before some snow starts coming down, so I need to get everything set up. So without further ado, let's get this video started. This is gonna be home for the night. Ooh, it's getting cold. Also, right now, it's about 10 degrees. And there she is. One thing I absolutely love about this tent is that you have this door to access the stove area. It makes it so easy. Let's get this open. Ugh, come on. Got my sleeping bag, sleeping pad, like that. Stove fan, that's gonna come in handy. Food, axe for firewood, saw for firewood, a couple of these foam pads, camera gear, fire kit, and a bottle of water. We got the tent secure, we got the stovepipe secure. Let me show you how that's done. I just have these guy lines that go out and stop this from moving from either side when those winds start to come through. It is getting cold. Right now, the temperature is only 13 degrees, and I've already got ice forming on the tent. Let me show you. These are all little ice droplets. Now we gotta deal with some firewood, because we're gonna need a lot of it. Also, I checked the forecast. We are now under a blizzard warning for the next 48 hours. So tonight is going to be interesting. I got a pretty sizable pile of firewood. I don't know if this is going to be enough. I doubt it. But I'm gonna get this inside the tent because the freezing rain is starting to come down again. And so I wanna keep these dry as much as possible. So, oh man. Let's get her going. There we go. Look at that. Just ice. Here's what we got so far. Sizable pile here. A pretty decent sized pile here. As soon as you feel like you have enough firewood, triple it. Yeah. And honestly, right now, I don't have much time before the bulk of this freezing rain rolls in. It's been about 2 hours and I'm cold. I really want to get this fire going. If I have to process more firewood later, then I will, but I want some heat. So let's make it happen. I'm not saying that my hands are numb, but I just can't feel them anymore. Get my fire kit out. I can't feel my fingers. Stick that in there, like so. There she goes. Open the air vent down here. Put that in there. Man, it is really cold. We got a bunch of kindling on top. The fire starter's in there. Let's go ahead and get her lit, because I am cold. I cannot feel my fingers at all. All right, come on, baby, come on. Yeah, there you go. There it goes. Get this closed up. We got her going. I was scared for a little bit there because this wood did not want to burn. But we got her going, so, and I don't know whether you can hear or not, but the freezing rain is starting to come down again. Oh man. There it is. Oop. Oop. It's frozen shut. I can't even begin to describe how quickly this stove warms it up in here. I'm already having to take my jacket off and get down to my t-shirt. I'm just gonna hang out here by the fire for a little bit and warm up, and I'll bring you back here in a minute. Yeah, here comes that rain. Man. So, dinner tonight, I've got myself a New York strip steak. I'm just gonna stick her right here and let her warm up. All the ice I had accumulated on this inner jacket here is melted, and now it's all wet, so I'm drying it off next to the stove. But let me tell you, this thing feels amazing right now. Ooh, oh, that looks good. Oh, shice. Oh yeah, I could work with that, absolutely. I haven't had any food today, so I'm pretty hungry, I'd say. I'm going to eat laying down, because I don't care. It's cooked perfectly. Check it out. Oh yeah. The rains are going pretty crazy outside. That is delicious right now. Here's the situation. It is currently 10 degrees. We're expected to have 16 plus inches of snow. It's looking like the snow has changed from around 6 p.m. this evening to 4 or 5 a.m. tomorrow. I've been looking at some of the local news Facebook groups, and right now driving, it's impossible. You can't do it. Everyone's getting stuck. You just can't drive. It's probably 80 degrees inside this tent. It's so nice. If you go outside right now, you'd freeze pretty quickly. In here is just fantastic. If you don't have a hot tent yet, you should consider getting one. I'm gonna finish eating dinner and I'll bring you right back. The ground is just a sheet of ice. It's about 10 degrees outside and it's raining. It's about midnight. It's been freezing rain all night. I checked the weather and things have changed significantly. What I mean by that is we were supposed to get maybe 15 inches of snow, which is still quite a bit with blizzard-like conditions. But as of this very moment, it is looking like we are supposed to receive 20 plus inches of snow in the next 24 hours. What that means for me is there is a likelihood that I'm going to have to leave early tomorrow. The reason why I say that, there is a high probability that I will be stuck here because of the amount of ice and snow we are going to get. It is going to make driving impossible. I'm not going to be able to leave. This is one of those times where I am being very serious. I do not like leaving these types of adventures early unless it is absolutely necessary. And as the updates roll in, this may be one of those times that I have to pack up and leave as early as I can. Because if I don't, I could in fact be here for 3+ days. This storm is no joke. But as always, I'll keep you updated. Oh goodness. 3 o'clock in the morning and I just got woke up to large chunks of what sounds like hail. If it gets bad enough and I want to get out of here, I might not be able to. So we'll see how it goes. That's what we're dealing with right now. Big old chunks of ice. Oh man. It's coming down good. I also looked at the updated weather report. It's not looking good. What I mean by that is I may have to call this even earlier than I was originally thinking. And the reason for that is when the sun comes up, there's already going to be about 10 inches of snow on the ground. And with all the ice, now sleet, and then snow, there's no way I'm getting home. But I need to get out of here now. But I'm thinking that might be the best idea. I don't want to be stuck out here for several days. Damn! I know I've said it multiple times now. I don't want to be stranded. I'm making the long trek back to the car twice so I can make sure I can get home. Let's look at this grass here. That's all ice. This is all ice. It's crazy. Believe me, I know it doesn't look that bad right now. And you're probably thinking, man, why? Why are you leaving? It's not that bad. But between right now and the next 3 hours, this storm's gonna dump 10 plus inches of snow. You have to know when to call it. You gotta swallow your pride and make the tough call of saying, you know what? It's not worth it. You can always come out another time. And for me, that's what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna get busy. I'll be right back. We made it back to the car. Oh my God. It took me the better part of an hour since that last clip to get loaded up. Just to walk back here. Sorry, my whole face has icicles on it. All this, that's just sleet. None of that snow yet. That snow's starting to come down though. Oh my God. I made the right call. 100%. 100%. Always trust your gut, guys. Always trust your gut. I'm finally moving, guys. These roads are treacherous. That was one hell of a treacherous drive, but I don't want to worry anybody. I'm home. I just got back and the snow is coming down really hard. If I would have stayed, there's no way I would have made it home. All right, so here we are about 3 hours later. I got a little bit of sleep. It is crazy outside. Blowing snow like crazy. We got snowdrifts on the house. This is about 18 inches of snow right here. And everything that I'm seeing right now on local news, driving, impossible. Can't do it. You just can't do it. So, if I were out there right now, that'd be it. I am out there for as long as this storm is going to be sustained, which is going to be for another 20 hours or so. Trust your gut, guys. I'm telling you. I don't want to have to end this video like this, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.